Welcome back everyone, first episode of the new year. I hope you're all doing well during these difficult times for the crypto market and that you got a good start to the new year. In this video we will talk about Cake Defi. I will give you an update. I've been using the Cake Earn feature now for over 3 months. And there's one important thing that you have to know before you start, so make sure you watch this video until the end. And we will also talk about the proof of reserves, what that means and what you have to look out for coming up in this video. I think it's fair to say that in 2022, the entire crypto ecosystem got a really bad reputation. And that is because big companies lying to their customers. The most popular example would be FTX. That's why it's so important when you pick a company where you want to stake your crypto or you want to do liquidity mining, that this company is trustworthy and gives you some kind of transparency. I'm glad because with Cake, that's exactly what they did. They have this new proof of reserves section. And everyone has their personal hash ID, and with this ID you can check if the funds are really there, making it kind of impossible to do anything with the funds that they shouldn't supposed to do. What's also important when you pick a company, let's say they have the proof of reserves, but you have to check if they have any kind of liabilities. I will give you a quick example. Let's say you have $1 million worth of assets, but your liabilities are 10 million. Well, then your balance sheet doesn't look really good and your company is in trouble. But now let's get back to Cake and how you can earn a yield on your Bitcoin or other crypto. And you still have the classic options, I would say, like with lending. At the moment you get 4% on Bitcoin and 10% on stablecoins. But that's not new. What is new? That you can now stake your Ethereum for 4.5%, and with the earn feature you can even make a higher yield. When I started, the yield was at 10%, but now it dropped to 4.7%. I would say it's still pretty good, but here's where you have to be really careful. I would only recommend it if you want to use it for more than 100 days. Because every day you get 1% volatility protection, and after 100 days you're fully covered. Because what happened to me was, after 30 days I made a profit of $20, but I was down because the volatility, if I wanted to take it out, it was like minus $50, so I lost $30. And at the time the volatility protection was just at 30%. So don't use the earn feature if you want to jump in and out, like just for a few days. That will cost you money. Again, only use it if you're fine with leaving it for 100 days, then you're fully covered and you will make a profit. Overall, I think Cake has developed into a great company, and right now I would say it's one of the safest companies you can leave your crypto with. And that says a lot, like after what happened to all these other companies. Yeah, I can understand that the trust is gone and that many people are scared to use a service like this again. Yeah, so I'm putting more money in. What about you? Let me know your thoughts about Cake Defi. What do you guys think? Is it a good or a bad company? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.